You guys probably have an older PC. This isn't a video to clean your PC. It's just a way to make your PC faster and less laggy when gaming. So I'm gonna keep it short and simple. This isn't gonna just show everything that you guys can do. It's gonna show the best thing you guys can do. Even if you guys do have a top tier computer, you want to turn this off. Now, if you have extra RAM and good fast SSD and you're like, what's, nothing to lose, then fine, do you. So what you guys want to do is type in services, services, and I'm sorry, let me see if I can get it to zoom in. Okay, I can't get it to zoom in. That sucks. The quality does suck. So I want you guys, so the easiest way for y'all is main, SYSMIN, or MAIN. So you guys want to go down all the way to the S's. Go all the way down to the S's. And you're going to see wherever it is. All right, here we go. So it's under telephone. Telephony. Okay. So it's called SYSMIN and maintains and improves system performances over time. It's this. You guys want to have this disabled because it's a lie. So what it does is it preloads things like your favorite applications and this and that, and it kind of like runs it in the background. So when you click on it again, it'll just be faster. But it's not good. It's not, I'm not gonna say it's not good. It's just not great. It hogs up. If you guys notice, if you guys looked at your hard drives, and a lot of people were running hard drives still. Imagine your slow hard drive, you're using it for Windows, you're using it for downloading games and this and that. It's just a slight tip. There is more in-depth things, but this is the main thing that you guys want to do when you guys go on Windows 11, Windows 10. Turn this off, disable. And then if you guys really, for the extra tip, you guys go to your task manager, and we'll drag it over, and you want to go to startup apps. Then you want to click this. So you want to click status and then all the ones that are enabled. So I don't really like Opera popping up. I do like CC Cleaner popping up, but only when I go to the application. Like, as you guys can see, it's high, and this and that. These also help because you guys are having all these programs when you start up your PC running in the background and doing things when you're not needed. So that's the extra tip. It's short and simple, basic. Hopefully you guys did like it and learn something.